There is another video with this strange thing, so check it out. But probably you are here to keep playing, so let's keep playing with this keyboard G213. I have another one, doesn't look bad, it has also RGB, however the buttons are not exceptional. I do not use this keyboard for writing, but if you want to write on it, the keys are too slow. There is an armrest which is not detachable. Yes, it's wired, it's not wireless. If you are looking for a wireless keyboard, this one is not. Sticker, how to use it. Safety and compliance and warranty information. There is something interesting on the case. I will go through it fast. Ultra quick responsive feedback with every keystroke, whatever, blah blah blah. Light sync RGB, which can be modified with the application, and spill resistant. Good for it, but I will not try this. Okay, let's plug it in. So the keys are lighting up. This means there is a different kind of plastic here, transparent, and this is one thing which I like about it. I do not expect these keys to, the letters and numbers, to wear off anytime soon or never. There is this Logitech logo here which is lit, and we have this button here for game mode. Yeah, I will have to see what this game mode is. We have the lights here, off, on. If you press this button, you will mute the operating system, and with this one you increase, decrease the volume. Play. Play. In macOS it will start the music from your music application. Okay, they are working as normal. You can use them with your operating system, so it's a nice thing about it. Even in macOS you can use Logitech G Hub. Change the light sync on your keyboard to have it fixed, different color. You see it's in real time. You can use cycle, which is cycling through the colors. Color wave, and you can put it horizontal, reverse horizontal, centering, whatever. Let's go back to color wave. And freestyle. On freestyle you have ways to edit it. Let's go to assignments. You can change the function buttons, which is very nice. You can use this keyboard for Discord and OBS. I'm not sure if it works with other applications. You have macros and system information. Game mode. Select the keys you don't want to accidentally hit while gaming. Yeah, this is nice. So you can disable the keys that you accidentally press. Sometimes I press the Windows button and it gets me out of the game. So this is what this button does. If you press it, you will have the possibility in the application to disable some keys. Okay, enough with the application. They are not quiet. See you a bit later. This keyboard, I have used it for, I really don't know exactly. I will mention in the video. I have bad things and good things about it. I really do not understand why they had to make this cable so thick, and it stays like this. It's kind of difficult to manage. You cannot bend it very well. It comes back all the time. It doesn't even have some USB port. So yeah, For USB ports, yeah, maybe it would have been interesting to be like this, normal to be like this, but since it has only RGB, I do not see why it's so thick. Okay, enough with the cable. Let's see how it looks. We can see already some wear here. Yeah, here on the space, you see, on the space key, and also on enter key. And on the AWSD I do not see much. Yeah, it looks good. I do not see any pros. Any keyboard which has some sort of layer will wear out fast. Even these ones, this computer costed a lot, and the keyboard was used or looked as used even after less than, I don't know, a few weeks. In general, I do not have any complaints about it. I like it. It's kind of, alright, let's just remove it. It's kind of noisy. I like very much the RGB. It's configurable via the application. You can go to Logitech G Hub and do whatever you want. There is one thing which it would have been nice to have, for example, to light up only some keys. Yeah, but this one is not that expensive. I like this button, which is game mode. I was telling you about this mode. Disable some keys, Windows key, and these two. I had many situations when I pressed this button and I was out of the game exactly in the middle of the action. So it's very good, and it's handy here if, because we are talking about Windows, if the game will get stuck, this is a way to escape from it. So you can enable and disable anytime. This is very nice. We have this button which will disable RGB. The mute and the volume button, very handy. These ones I haven't used them much, but they should be okay. I do not have many things to say about a keyboard. You will have to use it and see how it is for you. For me, it is quite okay. Also for typing, this armrest is not detachable, but it's not something that is really bad. I did not feel the need to remove it yet. It has also some legs here, and you can raise it even more. There is one thing regarding its functionality which I do not like, most probably because it doesn't have a memory. I open Logitech G Hub, yeah, and I set it up with, let's say, fixed, yeah. Let's choose a color. Yeah, you can see, and let me dim the light, see, and that's it. Okay, all is good. If I close the G Hub, Logitech G Hub is like this, very nice. However, yeah, Logitech G Hub is closed. If I remove it now and put it back, you see it doesn't have that color anymore. Yeah, you see it goes back to the default settings, which is cycling through some colors, and it returns to the settings I have configured only when I start Logitech G Hub. This doesn't happen only in macOS, it happens also in Windows. But again, it's not that expensive. So there's not much else I can talk about it. It's just a keyboard. Please let me know how it is for you, if you bought it already or if you plan to buy it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.